Hi, and welcome to a very gloomy day here in Colorado, Denver, Colorado. It is about 72 degrees outside. The sun was out, but now it's overcast. Supposed to be getting a little bit of rain, but I don't think we'll get it. But today I thought I'd also just do a quick video. It's been about a month since we repotted these ladies. They're in the exact same mix as far as small fir bark, Orchiata Bark and perlite, and the same size pot. Everything, all of that is the same. They're getting the same amount of lighting. The only difference is I will be fertilizing them differently this season. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put it in the description below so you can check it out after this one. Let's talk about the one in K-Lite first. So this one here was growing that leaf right there to the left, and she is continuing to grow. She's growing a root off of an old root, so that is good. But in addition, she is also, I don't know if you can see it with this overcast, but there's a nice new root growing there as well. I've watered them about once a week, so they are, there we go. And then this one is in MSU fertilizer. So she did not have that beautiful leaf that she's growing now, so she started that. She's growing a lovely root right there, and she's got another lovely root somewhere. I think I covered it up with the rocks, so the rocks are there to hold her up a little bit. She was laying down as phalaenopsis tend to do, and I don't want her doing that quite yet because I'd like as many of her roots, oh there it is, see? As many of her roots growing into the pot as possible. On neither one do we really see any active root growth going on inside the pot, but with each of them having new leaves, roots are going to follow. Now, once I water them, today is watering day for them. Once I water them every other time, the one in MSU will go to the front, the one in K-Lite will go to the back, because the one in the front gets a little more light than the one in the back, and I want to make everything as even as possible outside of the fertilizer. So go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to join the journey for this season and see how these girls turn out. And with that, we'll have a beautiful day.